Yo, 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 yo. Good morning, traders. It's Monday. Let's make this money fast. It's the first hour of New York Open here, 9:25 here, a little bit earlier, so we can watch the New York Open play out a little bit more. We're going to be taking a look at here at Nasdaq. Nasdaq did have a way back down during Asian session, made its way back up already during London session. See if it outbreaks and continues to go up for New York session, or if we're going to break down and have a bearish momentum day on the indices. If we take a look at the VIX, the VIX has dropped dramatically. So we could see a pump continuing to go in the market today on the Nasdaq. That means continuing going up. The VIX is down over 10% from last week, and Nasdaq's been just making its way back up here. We're just going to wait here till New York Open. Any questions in the chat, drop them. We do have an 80% off Apex funding. Use code JPH for 80% off at checkout. You can copy trade up to 20 accounts, have up to 20 to 100K months if you learn how to leverage your trading rate. Could see a sell side down to 483. Here we go. We are seeing a retracement here at open. A little bit. Market's not open. We do still have 2 minutes to open here. Break off of the trend though. My strategy here. If we can get a make way back up here for open, I will get into sales, but I do not want to get into sales before open here. Reason being is actually there's no news. So here we go. We have a beautiful break off of the trend here. We can get a retracement back up here at open. We'll look for sellers. It's Monday. Let's tap that like button. One minute here until open. Here we go. Damn. Beautiful sell side here at 560s off the break off of the trend. We could be going to 482s here. Continuing to sell off here for sellers. Just need some momentum here. 1 minute here, close. Here we go. Break off the trend here. Buyers could come in, yes. Sit back, wait on 30 minute. Still just waiting here. Still just waiting here for a trade. Baby, you're the best. Already tagged. Already targeted 518 liquidity. Make it way down here to 480 liquidity. Entry here at 480. Stop loss is very tight here. Gonna make sure our trade triggers copy coming down here fast. You ready? I'm in on short. I'm in on buys here. Stop trigger very tight here. 482. Stops are very tight here. We're going to secure stop loss at 516. Exposure above this last candlestick. We're going to let this hold. We're going to hold this. Out of that trade, 300. 300 across 5 accounts. First trade back from the week. Beautiful trade. No 1-to-1. 1-to-1 trade. Targeting the downside still here. Could get a better. Oh, that's where we wanted that 490. Targeted 482 liquidity here at 8:10, 8 a.m. Yeah, we're gonna target the buys again. Back down here at 480s. Beautiful sell off here at open. We had a anticipated but no trade here. We had a 50 point drop. Continue to go back. We did catch a buy here just at 936. I do anticipate buyers coming today because the fix have dropped. Up on the entries are looking good here. Yeah, we're in. We're going to use our same stock as last year. Up 330. You can wait off this break off the trend here. Out that 360. 2-0 here. 600 across 5 accounts. First day back over the weekend. Buyers could still be coming in here at low the power hour session right here. 936. Target our liquidity over at 482 down here. It happened at 8:16 a.m. They targeted it at New York Open. Now it's making its way back up here. We're gonna wait 5 minutes until confirmation. Buys are still looking good right here at 500. We're gonna wait till 9:45 see where price leads us. Could continue to go lower, but we'll see. Tap that like button, subscribe, and share. If you're a new viewer, We go. Buyers are still continuing to go up here. Stops are secured here if you're still in that trade. Buyers, not even worth it right now, but break off the trend here. We're going to be targeting 540s here right now. Right to 540s. Beautiful buys here. Buys on right here. Still liquidity push back. We're up 600 across 5 accounts. No rush to trade. Goal is to get to the payouts here. Could break out of here. 588s. With an 80% off all evals for a couple more days of Apex funding. You didn't get the 90% off, use the 80% off code use JTH. Copy trade 20 accounts. Copy trade 5 accounts right now. You see even a pivot point here at 942. Really want to make its way back up here. Huge candlestick up on the 5 minute up. That's beautiful work right here. This is all a beautiful session right here. On no need to even like chop. Other opportunity comes, we'll take it. But it's in that concentrated on my foot. It's not looking fun. 600 on one account. I don't get why it's not trading. We're gonna fix that right now. All right, we should be copy trading now. I'm gonna look for another opportunity here. Go for buys. It sells for 532, but not too much of a downside target. Here we go. Still continue to go up here for buyers. Would have been a 100-point trade if you held from here off the break off the trend to the upside. That could have been our pullback for New York session. Or it could be taking a lot of stops out here at 590s to 600s. We got 30 seconds here until 9:45 closure for a lot of volatility coming in. There we go, pushed up. We're hitting here on sells. We're gonna have a tight. We're gonna actually secure our stops right away. If we can, now we're gonna go back to 620 stops. Okay, let's see. Okay, yep, we're still not copy trading. That shit really pissing me off. Okay, let's figure out why. All right, our connection's on. All right, it's saying disconnected. Fucking sweet. Literally connected it before stream. All right, this is a test trade. We're gonna have our stops very tight so we can just see if we're fucking copy trading like fucking shit. Okay, now we're fucking copy trading. Woo! We're up 700 on one account and then 50 on the other. So could call it a day. Still good profits for the day. Sellers could come down here, target the 530s liquidity coming up. It did break out of the bullish overextension. Yeah, we're gonna take shorts right here. We're gonna have a tight stop 630s. Out of that trade, leaves us up 800 on one, 150 on the other. Sellers are looking real good right here. Right at 620, targeting a lot of stops right here. We have a liquidity sweep at 533. Could be a fast one around 10 a.m. Sellers are still here. We're going to target this take profit 1 for sellers right now at 533 if you're looking to sell. Target 2 liquidity. What's up, Caden Ball? How you doing, bro? There we go. As anticipated, sellers coming in. Big move down here. Could just target this liquidity and make his fucking way back up. But that is a double top up here. So 50-point dip right there. Would have been up $2,000 if I held, but no greed. Got to follow the consistency rule with these Apex accounts. No news Monday. No news Monday. So we're going to see a lot of continuation on the trend. A lot of continuation on the trend, so that's why I'm saying it's going to be a good bullish day. Holding its pivot points here after hitting 565s. Wish the copy trader was working, but we're up 804 on one account and 150 on the other 4. But I'm going to call this one a day, probably. Unless we see another setup on this bull flag here. Take a bull flag setup. Really wanted to at least come to 532s. Called out 10 minutes ago for sellers. If it breaks 551s, we're going 530s. Holding up here at 560s. I'm good, bro. I'm good. I'm good. I'm looking for buys right here off the bull flag. Take a small risk trade. Stop right below this candle. Already up 110. Stop loss hit right there. We're going to go on short buys again right here. Hold our stops right above this candlestick right here. Still very tight. Stop target. Damn. They targeted 533. Could be pretty fast here at 9:45 to 9:55. 10 minutes. Still just holding up here at 512 to the point. VIX is making its way back up here. Stop loss it. Check how much counter that. Could continue to fucking just drop here. 439s. This is last confirmation. So be my third trade back to them. We're gonna roll off. Here we go. Here's on buys on up to 50. You know, in the 50 at 469, 500 out 590. Here on buys at 19,500. Just had a good uh, break out of 20 on both backs. See how we got 10 of 5. We have a first with that. They have the pull back down and just stop. Buyers are still active here at these levels. Just took a $500 swing, 200 with this bull flag. But there's liquidity here at 460, so just be careful to look for a re-entry here at 474. Here we go, making its way back down here, 474. And I'm in the buys, I'm in the buys. Stop secure. Up 340. Cross 5 counts. Here we go. Stops it. Nice. Stops right here at 70. There we go. All accounts are up 700. I'm gonna call it a day. Tune in next tomorrow, 9:30 a.m. We caught two nasty price action trades. Full flag sell offs here. We caught sells only to the 10 points. If you would have held there, it would have been a 200 point. Then we caught buys right here for this bull flag. You can take it and hold it all the way to the top because I anticipated a bullish day for the indices. And let me know how it works out. Text me your signals, your trades, the longs. If you take longs for the day, let me know. Take profit 60.24 for take profit 1. Take profit 2, 700. And then I'm going to say take profit 3 all the way up at 19,900. Big volume day today, I said. No news Monday. So a lot of continuation. These buys are looking good right here. Buys are looking good right here. All right, tune in tomorrow. Like and subscribe.